Should I program in HTML5?
HTML4 has been a standard for over a decade, but HTML5 is going to replace it eventually.
I thought HTML5 was backwards compatible.
Sure. And browsers that cannot handle it yet can render it as HTML4.
I do not want to start working in a programming language that is not finalized yet.
All languages evolve over time, whether with new versions or morph into new languages. But many of the changes, like the elimination of elements, are permanent, even if some syntax is not yet set.
What benefit do I get from creating something in HTML5 versus HTML4?
Adobe Flash is going away, and Microsoft's Silverlight multimedia player does not work on a lot of machines. HTML5 is the alternative, embedding files in the web page without relying on those players.
The downside is everything has to be done in CSS.
CSS creates the style templates and graphics, essentially eliminating formatting tags and font formats.
But then you have to deal with Dreamweaver.
You can create CSS files and applications other than Dreamweaver.
Good, because I cannot afford Adobe's licensing fees for Dreamweaver.
Another benefit of HTML5 is the addition of header, footer, article and section tags. This makes it easier for a website to get indexed properly.
That's essential for good search engine optimization.
Because HTML5 does not rely on Adobe Flash, you end up with media-rich websites that will run equally well on smartphones and iOS devices, things Adobe did not do well.
Adobe Flash couldn't run on an iPhone at all.
Given the popularity of the iPhone and the fact that half of all websites' views are on smartphones these days, your website needs to be mobile-ready and device-agnostic.
Programming in HTML5 lets me accomplish that.
And then there's the benefit of getting rid of Flash plugins that often crash. That improves the experience for your viewers.